Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today is Shrove Tuesday, so we're going to be cooking some pancakes.
So into a bowl I'm going to add 150 grams of plain flour, a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix these together first. Then we're going to add 350 millilitres of milk, and 1 egg that I've already beaten. We're going to mix this together. We don't want to overwork this, but we do want to get rid of all the lumps. Once we've mixed this, it's best to let it sit for 30 minutes. So I've got some charcoal already in the joy stove. I'm going to put our skillet on. A little bit of oil, and now we're going to cook the pancake. It should take about 30 seconds per side. So I'm just going to flip this one over. There we are, that's done. Turn this out onto the plate and do 3 more. So I'm just going to serve these with a bit of sugar. And a squeeze of lemon. I'm going to put a link above here now for people who've never seen the Ashbourne Shrove Tuesday Football. You really want to watch it, it's a real eye-opener.
So there we have it, pancakes for Shrove Tuesday. Hope you all have a good Shrove Tuesday, and hope you're all watching this for Cast Iron Wednesday.
If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.